It's been a while since the last time we checked in on the Designing a Difference design team, but rest assured, they've been hard at work. There was a lot to be done coming out of the last workshop, and the design team found themselves rethinking their approach to the solutions they developed for Smallbean. With some new requirements on the table, the team needed to go back to the drawing board, and here's what they came up with. In the end, they broadened their scope from a design that would only charge laptops to one that would charge additional batteries as well. These batteries, housed in their own individual cases, can be rented out to generate revenue for the Launchpad, a rural innovation center being developed by Smallbean and the Newton Tanzania Collaborative. But these are still just ideas. Now it's time to make them real, and that requires some serious electrical engineering. For that, you need a seriously good electrical engineer, like Mike Data. With Mike's guidance and input from Sean, Ross, and folks on the ground in Tanzania, the design team was able to nail down specifics, like what types of batteries to use and how many can be charged on a certain number of solar panels. Additionally, Mike was able to help firm up what would be needed to charge 10 X-Slim laptops, courtesy of the program's newest sponsor, MSI. By locking in these elements, the team had a better understanding of constraints and was able to further refine their concept for presentation. By removing material, simplifying the design, and optimizing how much space was being used, they arrived at a good solution. With a rough mock-up and revised illustrations in hand, the design team presented to Jason and Bill, members of the design team at Samsonite, who shared their capabilities. After taking the Designing a Difference team on a tour of their facilities and sharing with them their capabilities, the group discussed the trade-offs between cost, complexity, and the user. With their expertise, Bill and Jason were able to highlight where the design team's ideas worked and where they could make improvements. Ultimately, the plan is to produce some prototypes with the help of Samsonite and Mike, test them, and refine them. You'll see that and more in our next installment of Designing a Difference, Smallbean.